Hello students, you are watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and with me today these are the students from Persona Institute, and they have successfully completed 3 to 4 months over here, and now they are ready to discuss and debate, and I'm going to give them a very interesting topic for the discussion. So all the participants, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You have to speak freely without thinking about your errors, without thinking about your mistakes. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Your today's topic is English language should be an official language or not. We know that it's an international language, it's a global language, it is spoken across the world. So my question to you that it should be an official language or not. You must know first what is official language. Official language is, means the language which is used for the documentation, which is used for doing any official work. So what do you think, it should be an official language or not? From the all angle we have to discuss one by one. You have to put your views. Let's start from Gaurav. What do you think, Gaurav?
Yes, sir. I think English language should be compulsory,
Yeah.
official language, because sir, we are talking about the higher education system.
Yeah.
So our higher education system is medium is only English. So sir, that time our if suppose that our English suppose that our official language is Hindi.
Yeah.
So sir, that time English medium students very difficulty because his studies only in English. So it should be compulsory.
It should be compulsory. Okay, he's saying that it should be an official language and it must be compulsory. Yeah, what do you think, dear?
Thank you, sir. According to me, English language should not be compulsory.
Yeah.
We should do our work in native language.
Yeah.
Take an example of employee. Suppose employee live in India and they know very well in Hindi. They can understand any topic in Hindi, but they are unable to understand the topic which his boss had given to his. Take an example of any language. Suppose any employee want to learn Java language, and we know that Java is a programming language, and that is written in English. And suppose India's people want to learn Java language, they may found.
No. Let me correct you first that we are not talking about computers language.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are
I'm
talking about the languages which we use.
Yeah. Suppose any work is given by your boss.
Yeah.
So that work, all the format of that work written in English.
Yeah.
So employees are unable to understand some words which had already written in English, but they can easily understand if they are written in Hindi.
Yeah.
In our native language, they can utilize their time to read that words and that type of format easily just within the minute, but they are unable to read that topic in English if they may be chances to found.
So you want to say that English should not be an official language. Our native language should be an official language. But how is it possible? Yeah, what do you think?
Thank you, sir. In my opinion, there are so many states in our country. They are not, their native language is not Hindi.
Yes.
But English medium school and English education is present in all over the country.
Yes.
So I think English knowing people are more than Hindi knowing people in our country. So English will be more easily understandable for most of the population in our country.
Okay,
So
so-
English language should be our
An official language.
language.
Okay. That's the strong point ma'am has given, that she's saying that in India there is much diversity. We find different sort of people, different culture, different language in every state. So it becomes very tough to make a single language. But English is a language which is spoken everywhere. Yeah, what do you think?
Thank you, sir. I would like to, English should be official language because nowadays we can go, we can see in bank, school, in all things, all details in English.
Yeah.
So English is very important because we can understand these all things.
Yes. So English should be an official language. Yes, what do you think, brother?
Sir, English must be official language because we know very well about the English language. English is international language, or we say that the English is very important for those people who is working in technical field.
Yeah.
We all the data of in this field which is written by, which is available or written by in the English language. So English is very important for us and those people who is working in the technical field.
Yes, absolutely. What do you think?
Thank you, sir. Sir, I think that we have to use the English language because, sir, in our whole world, sir, in the China, we will see that they are speaking a Chinese language. Sir, own country have their own native languages. So, sir, I think that English is a professional language because, sir, in the world, 70% people have know the English language about the English, how to speak and how to express their things. But sir, whenever we go to do the job, so sir, we will also know about the English. So sir, at that time we the all work is on the English. Sir, I think that the English language is a professional language.
It should be an official language.
Yes, sir.
Actually, that's good. Yes. What do you think?
I think, sir, English should not be official language because it comes from other countries, and and Hindi is our mother tongue. So we should not forget our language. Yes, we should observe so many good things and new thoughts from other countries, but we should not forget our mother tongue. And what about the person who are not educated, like villagers, who they are unable to understand English language? So in that time Hindi language is more important, and the government launched a new education scheme. In this scheme there is a rule, language is not barrier, we can study in Hindi language also. So they launched because they know the value of Hindi and they want to increase the value of Hindi language. So I think we should follow our own language. As he said, China people use their own language, so we should also follow our own language.
We should follow our own language. Okay, we should promote our own language. That is the strong point that she's saying, that she's talking about nationalism. She's talking that being a Indian, it is our responsibility to promote Indian languages. And English, it's not an Indian language. But don't you think that now English has become Indian language? Because it is spoken across the country. If you go to south, you will find the south states people, they are also speaking English. If you go to north, in north it is spoken, in west and east, across the country it is spoken. So we cannot say that a language belongs from a particular country. Language is a language, simple. It can never be the part of a particular country. Right? Yes, what do you think? My questions to you. English should be an official language or not? Yes.
I think English should be must be in official language because we want to our country improve the importance of English language.
Yes.
We can say, and all things important of English because all form submits all form written is English. So we can say ki, little we have no knowledge English, so some mistakes in fill form. So we can say ki, little learn is dangerous thing.
Little learning is dangerous thing. A small knowledge is a dangerous thing. Yeah, that's the good point. Yes, what do you think?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity. Sir, I think English language should not be officially. Sir, I am not saying this, it is not good. It is good, but it is not good for our villagers. There are many farmers, they do not about this. They do not about the English. Our school forms, electric bills, and that was, if they will be come in the English language, so how they will manage?
Yes.
Sir, it is not compulsory. Every villager is educated, but they don't know about the English language, and it is not good for our parents, and it is not good for our grandparents.
Absolutely, absolutely. But don't you think that the new generation which is coming now, everyone knows English. So don't you think that it should be an official language? Vanya, what do you want to say?
Thank you, sir. Sir, we will go to a big place. So, sir, they people are also say to English. Sir, I think official language in
English should be
English.
an official
Yes,
language.
yes, sir. So, sir, because I think yes, villages have very problem, but sir, we understood a little bit.
At least
That's
they
right,
understood
sir.
a little bit. No doubt, no doubt. She's saying that if they try, they can understand it. If now today the village people are able to speak their native language, able to understand their native language, can't understand the English. Yeah, let's know the opinion of ma'am. What do you think?
Yes, sir. We can make them understand English in a more easier way. If we are talking about South Indian people or farmers that are who are illiterate, then we can make them understand easier in a easier way in English. I think Hindi is more difficult than English to learn for a new people who is not aware of both the language. Then we can make them learn understand English more easier way in a more easier way.
Okay. So, ma'am is saying that we can make them understand. If farmers don't understand English, we can make them understand. Don't you think they can? They can understand if they try. There are many farmers, they are well educated. Yes, let's know his opinion, what he's saying.
Yes, sir. I think English language is a boost our confidence, because suppose that we are going to any job interviews. So job interviews only in English, and we want to job in foreign countries, and we are talking about our countries. So in our countries many companies came foreign, so that time we use that time we need to English.
That
So
time we need English.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely right. For doing job, English is very important. Yes, what do you think, Tawfiq?
Sir, according to me, as he told that if we are go to take interview, so the communication happening in interview in English.
Yeah.
But do you not think that if interview communication happening in Hindi language, so the people who are giving interview, they can easily understand what point interviewer ask, and and they can easily reply their points.
They can easily reply. Absolutely right. Yes, what do you think, brother?
Sir, nowadays we are seeing that the technology increase day by day, or there are many sources available to improve our English language, because the Google Translator is a good source for improve our English language, because in this app we can send every sentence, or it's in English language and it convert in Hindi language. So it is very good for those farmer, we can understand things, because we are using this app, so we can improve the English language.
Yeah, and this is the 21st century. Yes. This is the age of technology. Yes, what do you think? Speak some more points.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think that English language is the most important for the farmers also. But sir, we are saying that practice makes a man perfect.
Yes.
Sir, as well as you have said that the farmer has no money to speak. To learn English, how to, but sir, whenever they are seeing that they are speaking in English, so sir, they are listening them, and they are understanding them. So sir, I think that the whole world will know the English, because sir, English one time the English will be a native language of whole world.
Oh, the day would come then English will be spoken in the entire world. Yes. And it will be a native language. Okay, that's good. Yes, what do you want to say?
I think farmers understood some English language, because all farmers home 1-2 person know in English, and they explain our family.
They can
explain our family.
But do you tell me, Anita, is it possible that if 1 and 2 are knowing English, so they can teach others? Is it possible?
Sir, I want to say
Yeah, she's saying something. Yes.
Sir, there are many farmers who work in the field, in the village. Yeah. Sir, they have no time, and the children of them, they live in the Khandwa for their further studies. Yeah. So it is not compulsory every children should be in their home for learning them.
For
Yes,
teaching
sir.
them.
Yes.
But they use so many medicines in our farm, so need to in English, and so many technology new
They use fertilizers, pesticides, you know. Yeah. Yeah,
They
ma'am,
can,
ma'am, say.
the child or children can make them understand by using phone or technology. They can make them understand to reach. If they are ill and they have to take medicine, then only they have to
Okay.
understand
Now
English.
we have derailed from the topic. The topic is English should be an official language or not. But we have started talking about farmers. We have started talking about that how we can make understand farmers English. Okay, so this is not a topic. The topic is English should be an official language or not. Let's know the opinion of Sasti, what she's saying in the last.
Sir, I think every person, all of you said English is more important, but I think it is important, but it should be optional. Like we are going to bank, so you can see the receipt. It is in both language. For one side is in English and other one side is Hindi. So it can it is very useful for every person. The person who know English, he can use English, but the person who are unable to understand English, so they can also use Hindi. So it should not be official. Means it should be optional language.
It should be
Optional.
language, but not official. Okay, so Srishti is saying that it should not be an official language, it should be an optional language. Yes.
Sir, now I want to talk with Srishti. In my opinion, suppose I gave you one chance, you go to Hyderabad, so you know English language, and they are no knowledge in Hindi language, for Hindi language. So what can you do manage?
How can you manage?
How can you manage?
How can you manage there? Yes.
Yeah.
So I want to say one thing more. If you if you go to bank at Hyderabad,
Yeah.
and there is receipt, you were talking about the receipt. Then one side is on the English and other side on their native language. Then what will
Yes,
you
sir.
do at that time? You have to know English.
Because
compulsorily.
you don't know knowledge Telugu language.
Yeah, you don't know Telugu, so it is going to be very tough for you to manage over there. Yes.
You are right, but according to me, do you know the condition of the China? China prefer our language, Chinese language, and he follow his language as an official language. Do you not think that if in our country Hindi as a native language make us an official language, like in Maharashtra make us a Marathi language as an official language, in MP Hindi language make us an official language, in Hyderabad Telugu language make us an official language. So do you not think that the frequency of the work will be increased?
That's the main point, na? We are talking about our whole country. You are talking about that Marathi should be in official language for Maharashtra. Then what will happen if one state person goes for their job or their business to another state?
Yes.
Then what he can do?
Yeah, it is going to be difficult. Okay, everyone, I know it's never-ending topic. See, in the last, I'm just going to say you one thing. As Srishti, you were saying about the language, that being an Indian, it is our responsibility to promote our language. So I would like to say a thing about the language, that a language is not going to be represent a particular country. Okay, language is language. Earlier, in the past, English was spoken only in Europe, but right now it is being spoken across the world. All the people know it. All the people are accepting it, and we find the wide literature in English, right? Even the journal which is written in America can also be read in India if you know English, because this language is spoken across the world, right? So when we know a foreign language, we connect ourselves not on state level, not on national level, we connect ourselves international level. So this is very important. Right? So everyone, we have discussed a very good topic today. The topic was English should be an official language or not. So I would say in the end of the topic is that it must be an official language, and you all have given your best points. I really would say that you have really improved a lot, and will improve ourselves more, because this is the beginning actually. ये तो शुरुआत है. We have to go far. Okay, so एक बार अच्छी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सभी.